Students, we have taken today a new question, difference between economic growth and economic development. Okay. First column is economic growth, EG short form, and second is economic development, ED short form. First, economic growth is an occurrence, वो occur होता है, यानी प्रोडक्शन वाइज बढ़ता रहता है इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट इज अ प्रोसेस, स्लोली एंड स्टेडी प्रोसेस. Okay. Second is economic growth. In economic growth, quantitative changes occur or consider only quantitative changes regarding production of goods and services, not any other thing. Okay. In economic development, quantitative and qualitative both changes are considered. Qualitative changes means except production, population, poverty, okay, migration, so on, so many things. The question of utilization of unutilized resources, जो यूटिलाइज नहीं हुए अब तक के रिसोर्सेज, उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करें, इट शुड बी कंसिडरिंग इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. एम्फेसिस ऑन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज. ओके, जो रिसोर्सेज आपके पास अवेलेबल है, यूज कर सकते हैं, उसको कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, बांटना है, हाउ टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट, ओके, इन वेरियस सेक्टर्स. Related to developed countries, economic growth concept is related to developed countries, America, France, Japan, Germany, Norway, etc. Related to developing countries, economic development process is related to developing countries, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Latin America, Brazil. Okay. It is easy to measure. Growth is very easy to measure because only one thing you have to measure, only production. And it is very difficult to measure because so many things related in economic development rather than production. Okay? It is a narrow concept. Economic growth is very narrow concept and it is a very broad concept. Development is a very broad concept and very broad process. Okay, continue for long time. Related to increase in per capita income, just per capita income कैसे increase होती है वही देखा जाता है due to of production of services and goods. And economic development related to distribution along with per capita income. जो per capita income हुई वो कैसे distribute करना है और per capita income कैसे बढ़ानी है, distribute होते होते बढ़ानी है. Okay, this should be considered in economic development. Economic growth is a rapid process. Why rapid process? Because only production, there is nothing to consider except production. That's why it's a rapid process. And economic development is very slow process because development is commonly 30 to 40 years process normally in any particular country. Okay, minimum 30 years. Economic growth is possible without economic development. Growth can possible without development because in growth we just consider about production of services goods, nothing, and per capita income. Economic development is not possible without economic growth क्योंकि growth होगा तो उसमें production होगा, production होगा तो production distribute होगा, distribute होगा तो सबकी income बढ़ेगी, population को भी income मिलेगी, poverty कम होगी, unemployment कम होगी. That's why economic development is dependent on economic growth. So these are the 9 points you have to write down in your notebook and just memorize this LBH, learn by heart. Okay, and very important question for first stage preliminary and board exam. Okay, thank you.